Hello friends, welcome to TechQuest channel. This is for the medical technologist by your medical technologist. Thanks for watching my videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss about ketone bodies. What are ketone bodies, how they are produced, and what are the regulations for ketone body production, and what are the lab diagnostic tests used for ketone bodies. A normal balanced diet provides sufficient nutrients to satisfy the glucose requirement of the brain and other tissue by glycolysis. In the early stage of fasting, when glucose from the diet are not available, the liver shifts the metabolism from glycogen storage to glucose production. It's called glycogenolysis. After overnight fasting, most of the glucose is used up from the glycogen storage. The skeletal muscles start using glucose by gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis takes place in the liver and kidneys using lactate, pyruvate, propionate, and from amino acids. Ketogenesis is the process of producing energy from ketone bodies derived from fatty acids and ketogenic amino acids. Ketone bodies are produced in the liver, mainly in the mitochondria of cells. Free fatty acids are converted to acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone. Acetoacetate can be converted to beta-hydroxybutyrate or spontaneously turned into acetone in the liver. Beta-hydroxybutyrate, most abundant of the ketone bodies, after entering the tissues, they are converted back to acetoacetate. Acetone generated from acetoacetate and no energy is produced from it. Beta-hydroxybutyrate and acetoacetate are soluble and can pass through cell membrane, so they are used as source of energy for brain and other tissues. The liver has no enzyme to utilize the ketone bodies for energy. RBCs, they lack the mitochondria, so the ketolysis do not take place. They depend on glucose for their energy. Regulation. Insulin inhibits the ketogenesis and glucagon, cortisol, growth hormone, catecholamines, epinephrine, norepinephrine, and thyroid hormones stimulates the increased substrate supply to the liver for ketogenesis. Ketoacidosis. In normal individuals, the ketogenesis and ketolysis are constant. The concentration of ketones in the blood is maintained around 1 mg per dl. Their excretion is very low and undetectable by routine test in the urine. When the synthesis of ketone exceeds the utilization, the concentration increase in blood called ketonemia. Increased urine excretion is called ketonuria. Ketonemia and ketonuria is commonly called ketosis. The smell of acetoacetate and acetone in breath is common feature of ketosis. A nail polish remover smell, that is acetone, or fruity smell is commonly noticed in these patients. Ketosis conditions. Ketone bodies are acidic. They can change the pH to acidic. In normal concentrations, the acid-base buffering system prevents the pH change. When uncontrolled ketone bodies production occurs, the blood pH changes to acidic, called metabolic acidosis. In diabetes type 1 and in late stage of type 2 diabetes, the low level of insulin causes diabetic ketoacidosis. This can lead to a diabetic coma. High acid states are toxic to organs, muscles, and nervous system and interfere with body functions. Causes for ketone bodies. Increased level of ketone bodies. Low insulin level, type 1 diabetes is the common condition. Type 2 diabetes can cause ketoacidosis due to low level of insulin. Drinking excess alcohol, excessive vomiting, pregnancy, starvation, illness or infection, emotional or physical trauma, medications using corticosteroids and diuretics, and drug usage can cause increased ketone levels. Lab diagnosis for ketone bodies. The semi-quantitative acid test and keto sticks are frequently used, but they are insensitive to beta-hydroxybutyrate detection. The acid-test tablets contains a mixture of glycine, sodium nitroprusside, disodium phosphate, and lactose. Acetoacetate or acetone in the presence of glycine forms a lavender purple complex with nitroprusside. Beta hydroxybutyrate does not react with nitroprusside test. After a drop of urine, serum, or blood is added, the color is red at 30 seconds for urine, 2 minutes for serum, and 10 minutes for blood. Acid test is mainly designed for the detection of ketone bodies in urine. If serum is used, the tablet should be crushed and drop of serum should be added to the powder. A positive reaction, purple lavender appearance, indicates the presence of ketone bodies at a concentration of 5 mg per dl, that is 0.5 millimoles per liter for urine, or greater than 10 mg per dl for blood. The color chart provides with the package may be used for actual concentration. Ketosticks is a modification of nitroprusside test with reagent strip instead of tablet. This gives positive within 15 seconds in a sample containing 50 mg per liter of acetoacetate. The color chart can provide the grading of ketone concentration in the sample. Rothra's test. Take 5 ml of urine in a test tube and saturate with ammonium sulfate and add 1 crystal of sodium nitroprusside. Let liquor ammonia run carefully downside of the tube so it forms a layer on top of the saturated urine. A permanganate coelemental red forms at the junction of two layers if acetone and acetoacetate is present. Gerhardt's test is done for acetoacetate detection. Lindman's test for acetoacetate test. These are manual methods used earlier days. Hertz's method was used for qualitative detection of beta hydroxybutyrate. Now the ketosite assay is used for detection of beta hydroxybutyrate level 0.21 to 2.81 milligrams per dl, that is 0.02 to 0.27 millimoles per liter is the normal range for healthy individuals after overnight fasting. Thanks for watching. Please watch my videos, share and subscribe. Thank you.